Alone in the dark, shadows creeping in. Lost my mind, lost my way, can't remember when. Desperation growling, hunger in my veins. Turned into a beast, breaking all my chains. Walls closing in, no escape, no peace. Dreams shattered, hope torn piece by piece. Rage bubbling up from the depths of hell. In this prison of the mind I dwell. Who am I now? The monster I've become. Heart pounding fast, can't be undone. Alone in the nights when my demons run. Screaming in the silence, got nowhere to run. Tearing through flesh with claws of pain. Blood in my eyes, driving me insane. No turning back, no place to hide. The monster I've become, trapped in my mind. Once was a man with a bleeding heart. Now just a creature tearing worlds apart. Darkness fed me until I was whole. Now the carcass with no soul. Twist of fate turned me this way. Lost humanity and the price I paid. Haunted by screams of those I betrayed.